that?
Yes.
Ooh.
Car.
Is it a car?
A van. A van. A van.
Are you excited?
A van.
Yeah.
A van.
Okay. You like your car, Max?
Wait.
I like your bike. Oh, watch out for the tree.
Van.
Presents. You open another one?
On.
Not that one. That one's just chocolates. Find a different present. In the tree? Is there one in the tree? That's a good one. Oh, what is it?
That.
Oh, it's a letter M. Chocolate M. For Max. That's from Santa, Max.
A van. A van. A van. A van.
You want the chocolate? Or do you want the toys?
No. I want.
You want the chocolate. Oh,
A van. A van.
okay. M. For Max.
Max.
You say Merry Christmas?
Yep.
Say Merry Christmas.
Beats.
Merry.
Yes.
Max. That's pretty good. Max, what do you want for Christmas?
Peace.
Peace?
Peace.
And where do you want peace?
Peace.
In the world? Show me how you want peace. Ooh.
Oh, come.
Yeah, it's in there.
Wait.
You want a bite?
Yep. Please.
Toys.
Out.